Welcome to our channel. Today. We're diving deep into the simple yet essential process of logging into your BigCommerce store account. Welcome to our channel. Today. We're diving deep into the simple yet essential process of logging into your BigCommerce store account. Logging in correctly is the first step to managing and growing your online business effectively. To get started, first open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official BigCommerce website by typing www.bigcommerce.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Click on this button to proceed to the Login page. On the Login page, you will see fields to enter your credentials, usually your email address associated with your store account and your password. Carefully type in your registered email address and password, making sure there are no typos or extra spaces, as these can cause login errors. If you encounter any trouble remembering your password, simply click on the Forgot Your Password link below the password field. This will guide you through a secure process to reset your password via your registered email. After entering your login information, double-check that everything is accurate, then click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your BigCommerce dashboard, where you can start managing your products, customers, and orders. If you see an error message, double-check your credentials and try again. Sometimes clearing your browser cache or trying a different browser can help resolve login issues. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings, which provides an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code during login. Following these steps carefully will ensure a smooth login process every time, enabling you to focus on making your store successful. Remember, your login credentials are the keys to your online store, so keep them secure and up to date. Don't forget to bookmark the login page for quick access in the future. If you ever run into problems, BigCommerce support is always available to assist you. Stay confident and take control of your business with easy login access anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tutorials and tips.